Learn how to create this leaf watercolor lettering artwork using the Ultimate Lettering Toolbox watercolor set. Hi, I'm Nico Ng, and I'll be guiding you through the process, sharing the brushes used in each step. You can watch the complete video for an overview or follow along pausing as you create alongside me. Let's start by creating a new canvas, and for this artwork, I'm choosing the screen size. Stamp in the mask Monstera 1 on your canvas, then center it and color it green. Create 5 new layers above the leaf layer and turn on clipping mask. Stamp in different wet-on-wet background stamps on each layer and experiment with the color and blend mode of each layer until you get a nice stained watercolor effect. Try the blend modes multiply, overlay, and exclusion. Add smaller stains to create a more realistic effect by adding more clipping mask layers and stamp in different colors of watercolor stain stamps. Adjust the colors and blend mode to your liking. Add a watercolor paper texture and cover the middle line of the leaf with any brush on the leaf layer. Write your quote using the aqua bristle brush in white. Duplicate and merge the layers if you want to intensify the lettering. Then add a green drop shadow by duplicating the layer, moving it a little to the lower right, and recoloring it to dark green. Add a nice background to your leaf. I experimented with different background styles and ended up with a watery background around the leaf. You can use the watercolor wash brush to easily make this background effect. Add some green watercolor splatters to the background using a few of the watercolor splatter stamp brushes. Add some more white watercolor splatters on the top layer and add some yellow flowers and dots using the watercolor doodle stamps, flower number 1, flower number 2, and dot. And we are done. Check out the other videos in this Ultimate Lettering Toolbox series and learn how to draw ink, chalk, vintage, retro sign, and graffiti lettering artworks. See you in the next video.